This right here is a great selfie stick. It has a really nice MagSafe mount for your phone. That way you can just easily put that thing on there really quickly, and then you can film it in landscape or portrait if you need to. It has a double hinge arm on here, so you can actually angle this up and down how you need to, and then also this part right here you can angle this up and down. That way you can actually get some overhead desk shots if you need to. And I also like that they have some quarter thread mounts on the side, so you can actually put some more accessories on it like lights or microphones. The selfie stick itself is great because you can pull this thing out and it's a very long, look at how long that thing is. And you have a remote control right here that you can take off, and you can use it remotely and take your photos, start and stop videos, or you can keep it right there, easily start and stop videos with Bluetooth through your phone. That way, if you're holding it like this, or even on the selfie stick, you can easily press that button without having to hit your phone. And to top it off, on the bottom, there is a tripod, so you can set this thing down, you can set it up higher. It just gives you a lot of options, so it's a nice, solid, lightweight travel selfie stick, remote control, tripod, and MagSafe. So it does a lot. It's very versatile. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.